Looking for the ultimate webcam to take your video calls, streams, or meetings to the next level? Meet the EMEET S800 4K webcam, a game changer in the world of video technology. In this video, we'll explore why the EMEET S800 stands out and compare it to its closest competitor, the Logitech MX Brio, to see which one truly delivers better value for your money. So let's get started. Let's get into the features first that make the EMEET S800 4K webcam a standout option for professionals and content creators alike. First up, the ultra-high-definition video quality. The EMEET S800 supports 4K at 30 FPS and 1080p at 60 FPS, ensuring sharp, vibrant visuals no matter the lighting conditions. Thanks to its Sony sensor, 1x2-inch capture size, and f1.8 aperture with 4.701mm focal length, this webcam excels even in low light. HDR, enabled through the EMEET Link software, balances bright and dark areas perfectly, delivering stunning visuals for live streams and meetings. But the real magic lies in its autofocus capabilities. The EMEET S800 uses dual autofocus technology, combining PDAF or phase detection autofocus and TOF for ultra-fast and precise focus. Whether you're moving, showcasing products, or switching between multiple speakers, the camera keeps you sharp and in focus. The EMEET S800 doesn't stop at video quality. It also delivers exceptional audio performance. With dual noise-canceling microphones, it captures your voice clearly from up to 10 feet away while filtering out background noise. Whether you're in a home office or a noisy environment, this ensures professional-sounding communication every time. The flexible design of the EMEET S800 is another big win. It features an adjustable 40° to 73° field of view, making it perfect for both individual and group settings. The built-in rotatable privacy cover ensures your security when the camera isn't in use, and its plug-and-play USB connectivity means setup is quick and hassle-free. Now, let's see the EMEET S800 4K webcam in action and experience how its features shine in real-world scenarios. We'll start with low-light performance. Using its Sony sensor and HDR capabilities, the EMEET S800 delivers sharp and balanced visuals even in dimly lit environments or when dealing with harsh backlighting. Next, let's test the dual autofocus system. Watch how the camera quickly and accurately adjusts focus when someone moves around or shifts to an object in the frame. This ensures consistent clarity, whether you're switching speakers or showcasing a product. Moving on to audio, the noise-canceling microphones are a lifesaver in noisy spaces. Even with background noise, like a fan or chatter, the EMEET S800 isolates your voice clearly. Finally, the adjustable field of view adds unmatched versatility. Whether you're presenting solo or with a group, you can easily customize the frame using the EMEET Link software. These demonstrations clearly highlight why the EMEET S800 excels, making it a perfect choice for professionals and content creators. Now, let's see how the EMEET S800 stacks up against the Logitech MX Brio, one of the most popular webcams on the market. While both webcams excel in their own ways, the EMEET S800 4K webcam outshines the Logitech MX Brio in several key areas. Both webcams offer 4K resolution at 30 FPS and 1080p at 60 FPS, so you'll get excellent image quality with either. However, the difference lies in the autofocus system. The EMEET S800's dual autofocus technology is faster, more precise, and far more reliable than the Logitech Brio's single autofocus. If you're someone who moves around or switches focus frequently, the EMEET S800 will ensure you stay crystal clear. Another key difference is the field of view. The EMEET S800 allows you to adjust between 40° to 73°, making it versatile for different setups, while the Logitech Brio is limited to fixed field of view options of 90°, 78°, and 65°. The ability to customize your frame is a huge advantage for users with varying needs. And when it comes to audio, the EMEET S800's dual microphones have a range of up to 10 feet, more than double the 4-foot range of the Logitech Brio. This makes the S800 perfect for larger spaces or group calls. Additionally, the EMEET Link software offers easier customization and advanced features like green screen removal, making it a better choice for professionals and streamers. So, why is the EMEET S800 4K webcam the better choice? It's simple. Superior autofocus technology, more customization options, and a wider microphone range give it a clear edge over the Logitech Brio. Plus, with the EMEET Link software, you can easily adjust settings, enable HDR, and even customize the field of view, features that Logitech's software doesn't match. The Logitech MX Brio is surely a strong competitor, but for anyone looking to invest in professional-grade quality with modern, user-friendly features, the EMEET S800 is the ultimate choice. Thanks for watching. If you're ready to take your video setup to the next level, check out the link in the description to grab your own EMEET S800 4K webcam. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which feature of the EMEET S800 impressed you the most.